In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in Davinci Resolve 20. Whether you're creating a cinematic masterpiece or editing a simple home video, the right soundtrack can make all the difference. So let's jump into the steps on how to seamlessly incorporate music into your video project using Davinci Resolve. First, you'll need to open the Davinci Resolve application. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's your gateway to a whole world of creative possibilities. Once you have Davinci Resolve running, you should see the Project Manager screen. From here, select a project to get started, or open an existing one that you're working on. Finding the project you want to work with is essential, so take a moment to ensure you are selecting the right one. Now that you've chosen your project, go to the Edit page. This is essentially your creative workspace where all the video magic happens. Navigating to the Edit page is crucial because it provides the layout where you'll perform the majority of your editing, including adding music. After arriving on the Edit page, look for the Media Pool. It's usually located in the top left corner, serving as the central hub for your media assets. When you click on Media Pool, you'll see all the video clips and assets available for editing your project. This will include any graphics or other media files you might want to use alongside your music. Next, it's time to import the music file you want to use. Right-click within the Media Pool area and select Import Media from the Context menu. Davinci Resolve will then prompt you to browse your computer for the music file you wish to add. It's helpful to have your file organized and easily accessible so that you can quickly locate it in your folders. Once you've found your music file, click Open and it will be imported into the Media Pool. With your music file now in the Media Pool, you can simply drag and drop it into your timeline. The timeline is the space at the bottom of your screen where you arrange video clips and other elements to form your final video. Make sure to place the music file on an audio track in the timeline. You can adjust its position to synchronize with specific moments of your video, thereby enhancing the overall experience for your audience. And that's it, your music is now integrated into your project. Adding music to your videos in Davinci Resolve doesn't have to be complicated. With these straightforward steps, you can bring your projects to life with the perfect soundtrack. I hope you found this guide helpful for your next video edit. Thanks for watching and happy editing.